Good morning, traders, and welcome to our free weekly report from Elliott Wave Street. This is Juan Maldonado, and I'm going to show you some of my favorite trades for the week. Please read the disclaimer on ElliottWaveStreet.com. Let's start with the euro. On the euro, I'm long from last week at the 110.10. I shared the trade idea with my members, and we went long. The plan on the euro for the week is to have the completion of this wave 2 red. There we have the impulse active, 1, 2, 1, 2. This is the wave 3. We have a retrace for the wave 4, looking for 5, 4, 5. I trade with 3 positions. The first one, I take it out with plus 60 pips, right here at the 110.70, because the entry was at the 110.10. And let me tell you something interesting. Last week, I was thinking to take out my second position at the 111 area. And look what happened. The price went to the 110.96, 4 pips below the 111. Oh, okay. So here I have to wait to see the price coming up to the 111 area to be able to have the trade right there. And let me show you one of my secrets. Are you ready? I use my strategy. I create my own strategy after all these years trading the markets in a professional way. I create my strategy, the Cyclone Revolution, that you can learn by taking my course that is on the Elliott Wave Street website. So here on the 4-hour chart, I use an indicator that I make with a combination of indicators. That is the Cyclone the indicator. So I have my first signal right here, my first confirmation signal, and also it helps me to find that this is the wave 5. And also I have the train at the station with my Cyclone strands, and a little bit later I have my trend indicator confirming the direction of the market, and of course then the moving averages give me the signal as well. So everything was lined up. So that's why I picked the 110.10 to trigger my trade. So what I do is to, first of all, analyze the market. I do these wave counts manually with the Elliott wave. Then, once I see the setup, I confirm using my strategy that you can learn all my secrets on ElliottWaveStreet.com. You can take the course. All right, so there I started the bullish trade. All right, so that's the plan on the euro. Once the wave 2 is done, I want to sell the euro because on the weekly chart, it seems that the wave 4 is over and the destination will be the 108.43. But in the meantime, we are long, just to have a little nice trade, little from the weekly chart, but a really nice swing trade on lower time frames. Another favorite is the Aussie. Look, the Aussie is going to test this key area. So one of my plans for the week is to wait to see the Aussie exploding below the 66.80 area. It could go to the 66.50. And once it reverses over here, I'm going to be ready to buy the Aussie. And if I have the validation from my system and if I have the confirmation, I'm going to share it, of course, with my clients in order to start buying the Aussie. And the target will be the previous high. All right, so that will be the plan to follow this week on the Aussie, waiting for a lower low and then the reversal. Let's have a look at the S&P. The S&P, it's going down. I think that we are in the Black Friday for traders on the S&P because we are having a discount on the weekly chart. Look, on the daily chart, here we have the price. There we go. The price doing a wave 4, but this wave 4 can end at any moment. So how we can trigger this thing? Well, look my plan. an emergency entry to buy the S&P will be if the price cross the wave 4. If we have a move above that high, we can add a little buffer. But if we have a move above the 3,255, could be the buy entry. And if that event happens, we are going to have a move up back to the highs. That's an emergency entry because the bullish pressure is huge. Now, on the other hand, if we have the completion of the wave 4 like this, well, that's gonna be very easy to take the bullish trade right there. Okay, so of course I'm gonna guide you during the entire process. And let's have a look at the dollar index. Dollar index is going down. We have a pretty strong leg last week. We have the retrace for the wave 4, so this is going to help us also to understand what's going on the euro, because once we have the completion of wave 4, the dollar is likely to continue lower, and that's going to help us with the euro as well. And let's have a look at my favorite stock is Apple. We are going down. We are going to have a pretty good discount on Apple. I'm looking today to see the breakout of the 305 area. And if it bounces from there, we have the buy trade. Oh, that's so easy. We are having a nice discount after this irregular flat for Apple. At the end of 4, I want to buy it to follow the move up. Alright traders, please visit right now ElliottWaveStreet.com. If you want to receive our daily analysis, visit the membership tab where you are going to see the plans we have for the Forex trader, for the stock trader, or the full access that combines everything. Here you can take your trials, and at the bottom, if you want to add the forum access to all this, you can take it here. Also, if you want to learn how to do these things, if you want to learn how to make your own wave counts, visit the education tab, and here you will find a video where I explain everything about the system. And we have a special discount, so go ahead, visit the ElliottWaveStreet.com, watch this video to understand better my system. Here you will find the entire course study plan, and you can start your course right now. Alright traders, have a fantastic week and I'll see you soon. Take care, bye bye.